Hello there and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. There is a food trend that I stumbled upon recently on the internet, and it is vegan bacon made with banana peels. True story. So I'm super curious, and I figured, what do you say you and I experiment together? So let's get started. Of the recipes I've looked at, they all say you want ripe bananas. So you can't get much riper than this. We're going to peel these, and I'm going to save the banana. I'm going to put it in the freezer and use it for my morning smoothies, because I have a protein smoothie every morning for breakfast and I love it. All right, so now we have our banana peels, and of course we're going to trim off the stems. Now the recipes that I saw all had different ingredients, but it was obvious that they were all going for the same thing, and that is like a salty, sweet, crunchy outcome. So I have put together some ingredients that I think might just fit the bill. So we've taken off the stems, we've trimmed off the bottoms, and now, from what I gather, we need to scrape off any of the white part that is on the inside of the peel. I guess the idea there is you don't want it to taste like bananas. It's a little too aggressive there. There we go. Like so. You can see light through it. Okay. And in case you were wondering, there should be no question in your mind at this point that, yes, banana peels are edible. Because otherwise, why would we be doing this? So our banana peels are scraped. This is what we're left with. Now we have to create a marinade to marinate these. Okay, so all the recipes called for teriyaki sauce, which I don't have. Oh, I think I have soy sauce. Ta-da! I do have soy sauce. Soy sauce. Okay, so we'll throw a little of that in there. That's about a tablespoon. What else have we got here? Amino acids, very salty. I actually like amino acids. They're kind of salty and very savory at the same time. I'm going to say that's a teaspoon of that. Maple syrup. It's about a teaspoon and a half. I'm going to add liquid smoke. Liquid smoke is very cool, actually. They burn wood and they distill the smoke into a liquid, so it's not just a catchy name, it is indeed liquid smoke. I'm going to go easy with this because it's very strong. Let's say that's a quarter teaspoon. I might add more. Okay, so let's see what this tastes like. If it tastes like bacon. It actually does taste like bacon. Something's a little off though. I think it needs more sweetness, and I was planning on putting brown sugar in here anyway because you marinate the banana peels and then we're going to fry them in oil. So I thought brown sugar would be a good idea because the sugar, when you put it in the hot oil, is going to get crispy. Because I don't see how you could achieve that crispiness any other way. So I'm putting in brown sugar. Let's give this Another taste test. Something is missing. Pepper. Just a little. I shouldn't have worn such a noisy bracelet today with all the whisking, but I did. All right, let's try it again. I took too big of a spoonful, but I think we're there. All right, so you just put these in here. They say to leave them like a few hours. I don't think that's going to be necessary. We're going to leave these for half an hour to 45 minutes, and then we'll go on to the next step. I put just enough vegetable oil in the pan over medium heat, and it's starting to shimmer and smoke a little bit, so I know it's ready. I'm assuming we turn these over. All right, these don't look like they're getting even remotely crispy, but word on the street is as they cool, they get crispier. So I guess we'll just have to see. Drain them on a paper towel. This one actually looks like bacon, doesn't it? Well, here's our vegan banana peel bacon. It does look like bacon. This piece does anyway. The others maybe not so much. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. And just to give it a leg up, I'm going to close my eyes. I'm thinking bacon. I'm thinking bacon. Okay. It's good. Don't get me wrong. It does not taste like bacon to me, but it does taste good. I still taste the banana. It's actually would make a nice snack or candy, but it does not taste like bacon. I'm not gonna lie. So there it is, my review. I'm glad we tried this together. It's interesting. Yeah. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and come back again next time where we'll make something else.